I'm going to use this puff on my left, which will be your right, and this puff on my right, which will be your left. Natasha Denona Hy-Glam P10, my left, your right. MAC Studio NW45, my right, your left. Press Powder Foundations. I'm going to compare new Natasha Denona against the old MAC so I can see what coverage and what it looks like on my skin. In the next video, I'll do the new MAC formulation with the Natasha Denona so we can see what it also looks like. You want to see how these two powders look on my skin? Keep watching. And remember to hype this video. Thank you. I have a press powder foundation playlist. You can check it out anytime you like and check and see all the different powder foundations that I have tried. Most of this video will be to music.
Seven words beat.
My left, your right, Natasha Denona Hy-Glam Press Powder Foundation. My right, MAC Studio Fix Press Powder Foundation. This puff. My right, your left when watching this video, MAC Studio Fix Press Powder Foundation NW45. That's what I have right now. I did not use a brush yet. I'm going to use this brush on the side with the MAC Studio Fix just to take off excess if I have any. I'm going to use this brush on the Natasha Denona side. Two different powder foundations. Tell me what you think. Do they both match? One thing I want you to remember is that the MAC Studio Fix, it does oxidize. I have not noticed that with the Natasha Denona because I've been using it a lot lately. But I wanted to compare them to see how they look. MAC Studio Fix NW45, Natasha Denona Hy-Glam P10. Honestly, I am liking both. I would love to hear what your feedback is. This is what the puff looks like. The next comparison with the Natasha Denona Hy-Glam P10 Press Powder Foundation. It will be the new MAC because MAC did reformulate this one. Keep watching for the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you think. And as always, I try to leave you with a little bit of encouragement. Life is what we make it, but sometimes it can get very, very, very hard. My ex-husband was buried on the 28th of December, 2025. I am well. To God be the glory. I am there to support my son whenever he needs me. So far, things are good. I appreciate everything you say to me in the comments, and I send back love and patience and guidance and blessings to you, my precious community. Hype this video. See you shortly. Bye.